At Guarantor Loan Comparison, we are very passionate about responsible lending. We review all the lenders that feature on our website and only select those that follow the responsible lending criteria enforced by the Financial Conduct Authority. Responsible lending refers to the way that lenders can act in a customer's best interests, and this includes being transparent in what they charge, carrying out thorough checks before providing a loan, and offering forbearance if a customer is experiencing repayment difficulties. From our stance, we are not a lender, we are a comparison site which is authorised and regulated by the FCA as a credit broker. Our promise to you is that on our comparison table, we clearly show you the names of the companies we feature and allow you to compare cost, including the APR, representative example, how much they can borrow and how long for. You can see exactly where to apply by seeing the button Apply Now, where you'll be taken directly to their website where you can apply. We also will not ask you to fill in any details and pass on your information to companies without your consent. We only feature direct lenders, meaning that they will be the ones that process your application and fund you your loans. You will not go through any other brokers or middlemen. So just to give you a brief explanation of how the lenders we feature follow responsible lending. Firstly, we'll start with transparency. This starts with lenders clearly stating the cost of their loans and the type of loans that they offer. They are transparent. They say exactly what they do. That means that when you try to get a particular amount and you're trying to apply for a particular APR, you should get a representative APR which is offered to at least 51% of applicants. The lenders we feature have an initial criteria. Although it varies from lender to lender, it is generally that the customer must be over 18 years of age, the guarantor must be over 21, and both the borrower and the guarantor must be employed, earning a minimum amount. They must both be UK residents, must have a working debit card for funding and collection, and must have a working mobile and email account. This allows the lender to narrow down those applicants that are best suited for a guarantor loan product. An essential feature are affordability measures. This allows the lender to match up how much the customer wishes to borrow and how much they can afford to repay. So a borrower may wish to take out the maximum amount possible, but can they afford to do so? Well, this is where a responsible lender and affordability measures come into play. So the way they can do this is by asking for a pay slip or a bank statement so they can check their employment, or they can check their current take-home salary and also maybe get an idea of their current level of outstanding debt. So by taking these factors into consideration, the lender can therefore deny a loan request, or maybe they can ask for a guarantor who has potentially better affordability, or maybe they can actually lower the amount that the customer wishes to borrow. Credit checks are also very important for both the borrower and the guarantor. Using a credit reference agency like Experian, Core Credit or Equifax, it gives an insight into the customer's credit profile, how well they have paid other types of loans and credit cards in the past, and how much outstanding debt they have, and whether they will actually be able to afford the guarantor loan. Collection practices are key. For a responsible lender, they need to act in a way which is compliant and in the best interests of the customer. They can start by giving the borrower a bit of notice before payment is due, either by email, text or phone. Also, lenders must also only collect the amount that they've been promised and not collect any more. Above all, if a customer is experiencing any financial difficulty in repaying their loan, they should offer forbearance. This is just a nice and kind way that they can kind of help them repay, whether it's offering a pay plan, whether it's extending their loan without charge, freezing interest, and above all, not offering any extra loans because this could cause them into a debt spiral. If you're having trouble repaying, we recommend some other resources here who are completely free, confidential, and will help you.